Hello, this is Janae Rouse, IBM 320, and I am going to be showing how to do a moving average in order to find which method is going to be more accurate according to the MSE average. So to do this, we look at the 3-year moving average first, and we can see there's, of course, at the 3rd year. So then just put equals average. Let me go to those 3 years. Okay. Then we pull this down. Okay, and then to find the MSE, we are actually just going to go from B4 minus C4. And then we're going to square these values. Okay, and then once we square them, we can just drag it all the way down, all the way to 26, right here. And now we're going to do the 5 years, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to do the same thing we did at, as the other one. So then we go to the revenue, we go to 6. Okay, and then move this one all the way down, and then we go to MSE, and we just do the same as we did before. So we look at the revenue, now we're at B6, and then we subtract by E6, and it really doesn't matter which way you go, B6 to E6, E6 to B6, because you're just going to square it anyway, so don't worry about miscomputing that. But still, it's good to have some good habits about it as well. Alright, so now that we have all the data filled out, the way that we answer this question, which one is more accurate, 3 years or 5 years moving average, we have to look at the MSE and find the average of each MSE. Which one yields us a smaller amount will be the one that is smoother and thus more accurate. So then we just do average okay, and then we just do the same. We look at the MSE here, equals average spell it right too. Average, this whole thing. Okay, so average of this whole table as well. Alright, so we yield 2 very different values. The first one is going to be 22,347.71438, and just to get it looking a little more. Okay, that way it's easier to distinguish which one is lower. So 22,347.71 and 41,295.29. So based on these values, we can see that the 5-year moving average yields a higher amount, and this one yields a smaller amount. Thus, the 3-year moving average is going to be a better method. The 3-year moving average is more accurate because it's smoother, and it seems to have less irregularity. Since it's composed of less years, the average will be more accurate than if it was composed of a larger set of years. So any time that you're doing more than 3, so 5, 6, 7, anything more than that is going to be less accurate. So the smaller amount of years, the more accurate it's going to be. And we can see it based on the graph here too. You can see that 3 years a little more laid out, a little more composed. And of course, the 5 year is going to contain more data and thus more irregularity. So that whole thing makes sense. So hopefully this was a little helpful, and thank you.